Effective home remedies for cough, cold and running nose slow us down and make it so much harder to enjoy life. The key to feeling better is learning the best cold treatment methods to safeguard your good health. This video will let you know the ins and outs of effective cold treatment with simple natural and home remedies. Garlic. This natural antifungal and antibacterial can help kick almost any illness to the curb. Garlic loses its potency when cooked, so it's best taken raw during times of sickness. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use garlic properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Coconut oil. Its naturally high levels of lauric acid, which the body converts into a compound that has potent antimicrobial properties, can help boost the immune system and ward off illness. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use coconut oil properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Fermented cod liver oil. High levels of omega-3s make this ideal for reducing inflammation, while the naturally occurring levels of vitamins A and D help boost immune health. During times of sickness, you can double the recommended daily dose for extra immune support. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use fermented cod liver oil properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Apple cider vinegar. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, or lemon juice, to a glass of water helps to alkalinize the body. Creating an alkaline environment helps kill bacteria and viruses. Start drinking it at the first sign of illness and repeat several times a day until the symptoms subside. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use apple cider vinegar properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Liquid chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is also alkalinizing, making it difficult for viruses to survive, and is also a great blood purifier that is high in nutrients. Simply add a teaspoon to your regular drinking water throughout the day. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use liquid chlorophyll properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Nasal wash. When you have sinus congestion, excess mucus is unable to drain, which can lead to a bacteria buildup, swelling and stuffiness. Rinsing your nasal passages with filtered water helps to clear out excess phlegm, pollutants and bacteria, so your normal nasal mucosa can better fight infections and allergies. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to do nasal wash properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Warm liquids. Homemade bone broth, hot lemon water, and herbal teas all help boost the immune system and soothe you when feeling sick. Ginger is good for sinus trouble and congestion. Chamomile helps reduce inflammation and calms nerves, which can result in better sleep. Homemade cinnamon tea made with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of honey helps reduce coughing and congestion. Elderberry syrup. Elderberries, also known as sambucus, have been used in traditional folk medicine to help prevent and treat the symptoms of both colds and flus. The berries are rich in the anti-inflammatory anthocyanin, as well as antioxidant flavonoids, which help combat illness. When choosing a brand, make sure to avoid any containing preservatives, natural flavorings or high-fructose corn syrup. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use elderberry syrup properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Turmeric. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric, in addition to honey, have been widely used to treat the common cold, coughs, headaches, sore throats, and congestion. There are a few ways to enjoy turmeric. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use turmeric properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Cinnamon. Cinnamon comes from the bark of small trees found in Asia and the Middle East. Is it one of the oldest spices known today? It has been used by the ancient Egyptians as medicine and was considered more precious than gold. Visit curenatural.info to learn how to use cinnamon properly to get relieved of cold symptoms within a day. Get rid of cold, cough and flu within a day. Find out how by visiting curenatural.info.